Welcome to our channel. Downloading your Strava activities allows you to keep personal records and analyze your fitness data outside the Strava platform. Step 1. Log into your Strava account on a web browser, as the download feature works best through the desktop website. Step 2. Navigate to the specific activity you want to download by clicking on it in your activity feed or profile. Step 3. Click on the three dots or wrench icon on the activity page to access the activity menu options. Step 4. Select Export GPX or Export Original from the menu to download the activity file in a standard GPS format. Step 5. Choose your preferred file format based on how you plan to use the data, with GPX being compatible with most fitness apps. Step 6. To download multiple activities at once, go to your account settings and select the option to request a bulk data export. Step 7. Strava will email you a link to download an archive containing all your activities, which may take a few hours to prepare. Step 8. Extract the downloaded archive file and access your activity data in various formats including GPX, TCX, and FIT files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.